Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are solving question. So let's see how to solve the given question. So we have find the point of intersections of the two loci, 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0, and 12x plus y minus 2 minus 25 equals to 7. So now we have to solve the two simultaneously. We having for this, we're having 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. We're having 3x minus y equals to 5. That forms equation 1. So the second one, we have 12x plus y minus 25 equals to 0. We have 12x plus y equals to 25. So that forms equation 2. So the next thing is to solve 1 and 2 simultaneously. So we have 3x minus y equals to 5, equation 1. We have 12x plus y equals to 25, equation 2. So we eliminate y. This is 15x equals to 30. So we have x equals to 30 divided by 15, and that will be x equals to 2. So the next thing is just to substitute x equals to 2 into equation 1. So equation 1, we are having 3x minus y equals to 5. So this now be 3 times 2 minus y equals to 5. So we have 6 minus y equals to 5. Then we have minus y equals to 5 minus 6. Minus y equals to minus 1. Minus to cancel minus, we have y equals to 1. So the point of intercept is at x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be moving to another part. See you.